Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making the amazing, quick and easy tandoori chicken. Alright, this is super delicious and I hope you guys try this one. If you guys are new to my channel, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're already here, thank you. Let's jump into this video. So here I would have already washed some chicken drumsticks and thighs. And these are the rest of the ingredients and they will be in the description box. Okay, so first what we will do is slice this chicken down to the bone like that, and we are going to do this for all of the chicken here. And then we will go ahead and add some lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Then I'm going in with some plain yogurt. Then I'm adding some ginger, garlic, and some turmeric, and some red chili, some masala, some cumin, and some sear, a little bit of chicken bouillon, and salt. So the longer this chicken sits in the marinade, the better. I did mine overnight. You can do yours for about 3 to 4 hours. I mean, that is just fine. All right, if you have the time, you can do this overnight. So it's the next day, and it is time for us to make this chicken. So I would have preheated my pan. I go ahead and I add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I add 1 tablespoon of butter. Allow that to melt, and then add your chicken. I added the slice, the side that I slit. I had the incision. I placed that down first in the pan. Allow that to cook for about 4 minutes. Then you go ahead and flip. That looks amazing. So I'll place that here on this rock. So I did 4 minutes on each side. Alright, and then we'll move into the next step. So I did add some melted butter, some chili flakes, and some parsley in a bowl. I'll go ahead and mix that together, and I brush this on top of the chicken. And I'm doing this so the chicken would not dry out, because I have to place this chicken back in the oven. Alright, I'll leave the correct measurements and time in the description box. And after about 30-40 minutes, this is what our tandoori chicken looks like. It was so amazing, so delicious. Thank you guys again so much for spending the time with me today. You guys do have a fabulous day. Bye bye. See you on the next one.